They would sing like their hearts would break. Poor John is dead, poor John Fry is dead. Oh, gather round his coffin now and cry. He had a heart of gold, and he wasn't very old. Oh, why did such a feller have to die? Poor John is dead, poor John Fry is dead. He's looking oh so peaceful and serene. He's all laid out to rest, with his hands across his chest. His fingernails have never been so clean. Why, then the preacher'd get up and he'd say, "Folks, we are gathered here today to moan and groan over our brother John Fry, who hung himself up by a rope in the salt house." And then they'd be weeping and wailing from some of those work. And then he'd say, "John was the most misunderstood man in the territory. People used to think he was a mean, ugly